Hello, and this is part 5, well, we're not coding today, because this is what should be your outcome, I guess, of the Scratch Knife It game. So, full screen. So, if you start it, here, I changed the background a bit. So, if you start it, the knife, turns around. And if you click or press space, the other knives turn around too. And if you hit, so here's how many more you have to put in to make it break. So I hit one there, and if you hit the clone or the other ones, then you lose. So here I changed it a bit, made a few more variables. Didn't make any of these. Oh wait, never mind. Didn't make more here or here. Or, so have a good look and change your, change the Scratch. Actually, yeah, so this shouldn't be here. Um, take that out, I think. Run it again. Yeah, that's fine. So there are a few bits that I changed, so you don't need this. Yeah, and see the other ones? And these are also similar, except this is a bit different. Have a good look. And then go here. And by the way, this is, and the last one are here. So I haven't changed anything here, I think. So yeah, and yeah, so so actually we are going to do some coding today. I changed my mind. So we're going to make a starting screen here. Okay, so I made a few. I don't know why this is here. So here's a starting screen. So when green flag is clicked, switch backdrop to 1, which is that. And we're going to make a new broadcast, which is start. And so put a hide here in the wood circle, and then do that and do that. So we want to hide everything when the green flag is clicked. Everything that involves the green flag and when it starts should not go there. Okay, so now we're going to make the play button. Oh yeah, one more thing. We're just going to hide the variable. So, also we're going to make another new variable, which we'll call score. I'm pretty sure you'll have to switch every knife you put. So, yum, 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 yum. Um, change score in the word circle. Change score. What? Oh, change score by next bit. Change score by 1. So when we start, we don't want the score. So we're going to set the score to 0 and take out the shell. No, 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 no. We want to take this out. And then, so, when we do this, this is in the other sprite I made. So zoom in, and then make it any color you want. So the color here. So go rectangle, and then write something in it. So this is start, and fill the rest in with the color. So you can make it any color you like. Okay, so okay. So when we run it, oh no, that's not good. Oh my. That's right. Oh, okay. So I want to switch the backdrop to 2. Yeah, so, so we want to hide all the variables. Hide score. Okay, so when we clicked, we want it to show. And when this sprite clicked, hide broadcast. Broadcast. Play. Okay, when I receive play, we want to switch backdrop to 1. Here, and then receive play. Want to do everything here. Okay, and here. Play. So, what's this? Okay, let's try. Oh my. No. Oh. No, that's kind of weird. Okay, why is it? Oh, that's just weird. No. Yeah, there we go. Show variable. Oops. Cool. So, I think that's it. Oh wait, no, that's not it. Broadcast. Something like that. And when I go to the backdrop, and when I receive done, switch backdrop to 3. And then I want to stop. You can make this anything you want. You can write anything. I showed this. Okay, so let's knife it and press start. Oh, okay, no, that's not right. Oh, what? Oh my god, what is it? What? Oh, yeah. Hmm. What? Okay, there we go. And when we die, yep. And it's not done yet, almost there. When I receive game over, hide, hide all the variables, duplicate that, and score. Okay, so um, so when I receive done, I mean game over, we need to hide, and same thing for this. Okay, and thank you for watching the knife it tutorial series. So yeah, thank you, and soon I'll record my last video. I mean, not my last, the next video on something else. Maybe something fun. Okay, something easier than this. Or maybe harder. Anyways, thank you and have a nice day.